In Illinois, if you're injured at work, you have certain rights guaranteed by the Illinois Workers' Compensation Act. The first right is TTD, or temporary total disability. TTD is paid when a worker cannot return to work due to an injury. During this period, the insurance company pays you 2/3 of your pay while you're recovering. If you do go back with restricted work but you're unable to earn what you were at the time of your injury, the insurance company should pay TPD, or temporary partial disability. The second right you have is the absolute right to choose and direct your own medical care. The employer and insurance company are obligated to pay for any medical care that you receive that is causally related to your injury. Third, medical providers are prohibited from turning you into collections for non-payment of medical bills during the pendency of your case. As long as your case is filed before the Industrial Commission and the proper paperwork sent to the medical provider must wait until the conclusion of the case to make any type of collection activity against you. Next, repetitive stress cases are compensable. This means that if you are at work and you perform the same activity on a repetitive basis, the employer is obligated to pay benefits for that injury. Examples of repetitive stress cases are repetitive typing, repetitive use of air tools and wrenches, repetitive work overhead. If you have a repetitive stress claim, please be sure to inform your doctor of your job duties. If you have a permanent injury, you are entitled to a settlement. In Illinois, workers' compensation permanent injury awards are paid to workers that have sustained permanent disability. This means that you have residual pain or deficits such as loss of range of motion, loss of strength, or the inability to perform activities at work and home such as walking, standing, or lifting. Finally, you have the right to legal representation. The employer and insurance company has lawyers and investigators working for them at the outset of the case protecting their interest. You cannot be discriminated against because you have an attorney. Call the law office of Chris Doscotch.